Understanding Bowling Alley, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in English, bowling alley. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding the nuances of such phrases is key to mastering the English language. So, let's dive in and discover what a bowling alley really means. A bowling alley is a place where the sport of bowling is played. Bowling involves rolling a heavy ball down a long, narrow lane to knock down a set of pins arranged at the far end. Bowling alleys are special venues designed specifically for this activity, often featuring multiple lanes, equipment rentals, and sometimes additional amenities like food and arcade games. Bowling alleys have a rich history, dating back many centuries. Originally, they were simple outdoor lanes, but over time, they evolved into indoor venues. Today's modern bowling alleys are not just places for sport. They have become popular social spots, often featuring vibrant lighting, music, and a variety of entertainment options. In many countries, especially in the United States, bowling alleys are significant cultural landmarks. They are places for family outings, friendly gatherings, and even competitive leagues. Films, TV shows, and literature often depict bowling alleys as quintessential spots for social interaction and community life. Understanding a bowling alley also means knowing related vocabulary. Terms like lane, pins, bowling ball, strike, and spare are essential. Each term has a specific meaning in the context of bowling, adding to the richness of the English language. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what a bowling alley is and its significance in culture and language. Remember, exploring phrases like this not only helps you learn English but also gives you insights into different aspects of life and society. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.